probably gonna eat. Where's the turkey though? Alright, Betty, not too close.
Oh, I like the big one. You're scared. There's so many flies. One just went in my nose. A fly went in my nose. You hate you flies.
What is that?
Dubai pancake.
Belly, let's eat. Hi, baby.
Sand. Hi guys, I'm going to space. I'm just joking, I'm going to a Japan. I'm just joking, I'm going to a tractor.
To what?
To space. I'm just joking. It's a tour. No, I'm going to space, I'm just joking.
Welcome to yes, yes. Thank you.
I want to be with Belly. Where I want to
Guys, and to everyone else, welcome to our 30-acre real working farm. This farm is run primarily by the Tanaka family, and they have been farming since the early 1900s. However, they've been farming on this specific plot of land since 1998. Farmer Tanaka is a third-generation Japanese-American farmer, making him a
Long time ago.
sansei. He also runs this farm with his wife, Farmer Shirley, and his son, Farmer Kenny, who is that fourth generation, making him a yosei. Coming around on our right-hand side, this white tent, this is going to be our barnyard. It's run by our wonderful Shell Marie and her team of volunteers, and we have a variety of animals in there like our baby goats, sheep, and chickens inside. We use our pony. We also have 2 miniature donkeys, Duke and Butterbean, our white donkey, Opal Joe. We have our 2 turkeys over there, both male and female, 3 cows, and 1 pig. Our pig, Al, is actually the same type of pig as the pig you see in Moana. And if you can't see him, look underneath the feeding trough. He's covered in all of the animal feed. All these flowers over here also make up our pollinator garden that's also maintained by our volunteers at the barnyard. And it helps to attract a variety of pollinators like our butterflies, bees, hummingbirds, and ladybugs to our farm to help keep our farm nice and healthy. Underneath all these lanterns on the right-hand side, this is going to be our Easter egg hunt maze. So right now we've planted some eggs in there for you guys to go out and hunt for yourselves in this really tall Sudan grass. We also have some carrots growing in there. They're going to be right next to the ground. And then these tall stalks you see poking out, those are going to be sunflowers. And there's already one that looks like it's starting to bloom a couple flowers. We used to have corn planted there for our fall festival, but we took that out because we're preparing for spring. And this is just a perfect example that the farm is always changing. Our farm is located on a portion of California's greenbelt, and it is leased land, which means we can't build any permanent structures here. Over on the right-hand side, we also have our largest veggie patch. We're entering the sweetest portion of our tour, Sugarcane Lane. Sugarcane is a grass plant. It can grow to about 25 feet tall. It's very nice and sturdy. And we use it as a natural barrier and shade here on the farm. Does anyone have any guesses as to how many stalks of sugarcane it takes to sweeten 1 can of Coca-Cola? I'll give you a hint, it's not a lot. 1, you're very close. 2, you're right, it is 2 stalks of sugarcane, which is about 4 to 6 tablespoons of cane sugar. Coming up on the left-hand side, you'll see all these orange tents and a really big white tent.
Their instructions.
Let's get closer so you can hear.
Plants right here. If you guys want to come a little bit closer so that you can see.
Careful, guys.
William.
Anywhere you see a green fluffy plant, there's going to be carrots there. And I know it's not very common, but they do grow in the ground. So if you don't find any good carrots, keep looking. They're in the ground. Some of the leaves might be broken off, but there's still carrots in there. To pick a carrot, it's actually really simple. You're just going to find the base where the leaf kind of combines into one stem right next to the dirt. You're going to find that, pinch right there, and then wiggle and pull out. Oh, this one's kind of small.
A baby.
Yeah. But you'll see that where the orange meets the green, that all the stems kind of combine into one. We want to aim to pinch there. If you see the orange peeking out, you can kind of grab the orange instead and give it a wiggle. But they should be pretty easy to pull out. I'd still count this as 1 carrot. If you find something like, if I can find a baby one. If you find something like this where you can barely see the carrot, you can go ahead and keep that one and pick another one as well. But if it's something with like enough weight to it, I'd say this is 1 carrot. We'll be picking 6 carrots today. We'll walk down these 2 rows right here. And let's try to aim to only pick in these beds right here. But you guys can follow me out into the field in between.
You're gonna have to find something to pull. Like, look at this. Here, Belly. Here. Pull it. Look.
I found the carrot.
Good job. Okay, Belly, you wanna try?
But it's a little bit more.
Let me see. Oh, wow, show me, Leah. Leah, show me. Smile. Look here. Cute. Good job.
Found 4.
Good. 2 more.
Belly, here, this one.
Here, no, right there.
Belly, belly, belly. Get this one. Hold this. Hold that one. Pull it.
Oh, look at Mommy Belly. Show Mommy. Smile, Belly. Belly, smile.
Belly, look at
Belly, look. Good job, baby. Okay, you can put it in your bag. Let me see.
Oh, it's 1.
Okay, you can grab more, Belly.
Oh, put it here.
I got 6. I got 6.
Okay, 1 more, Belly, here.
There you go. Go get it.
Show Mama, Belly. Good job.
That one.
You just take that.
Yeah. Pull it.
Wow.
Oh,
Show
that's
me,
a big-
Belly. Belly, look at
That's
Mommy.
a big one.
Belly.
Look at mine.
Show Mommy.
Oh, wow.
Smile, Leah.
You could swap.
It's okay. We're not.
California climate.
Guava.
Passing by on the left-hand side, this white structure is going to be our greenhouse. So this is where we grow our seeds into little seedlings.
But probably
The house serves a purpose that it holds like all that energy from the sun inside to help our seedlings grow nice and strong with an even amount of sun and energy.
You're hot.
Also on the right-hand side, all these bushes, they're going to be over here. There's only going to be 2 places our strawberries are going to go into. The first place is going to be our bellies, so you can eat as many as you want. And then these clear baskets right here. Before we get back on the wagon, just make sure that lid can snap shut. When we're out in the field, we don't want to pick any of these green leaves right here. You guys see how it's green in color? Green is actually a really good pigment for attracting sunlight and capturing energy. And so this is how our strawberries convert sunlight to food. So we don't want to pick any of the green leaves. We also don't want to pick any of these white flowers right here. If you notice the yellow dot in the center, that's actually going to be a baby flower or a baby strawberry. So we don't want to pick any of the baby strawberries as well. What we also don't want to pick are these green strawberries right here. They may be white, even light pink or yellow, but we like to call these our teenager strawberries because they're very sour and bitter, just like the name implies. So we don't want to pick any of these because they'll give us a tummy ache and a headache. What we do want
Just
to
like
pick
we bear.
are these nice big red ones right here. You guys see how it's red on all sides? We do want to check behind the strawberry as well to make sure that it's fully red because that's how you'll know you get the sweetest one. To pick a strawberry, all you need to do is grab from the shoulders. So where my pointer finger and thumb are pinching right here, you just want to grab there and then pull towards us. So grab from the shoulders and pull towards you. We're going to follow Felix in the flannel all the way down there, so don't enter any field until he tells us to. You'll have about 15 minutes to pick, especially leave your carrot bags on the wagon. We'll come back and then we'll end the tour. But
Oh, I see some good strawberries already. We're not going in there. I know, do you see those strawberries? No, not yet. I know, be patient. Patience is the key. Oh, I see a lot of good strawberries. Leah, go right there. Right here, Leah. Strawberries. Ooh. Yeah. Belly. Grab it from the shoulder and then pull it slow. There you go. Make sure it's the red one, okay? Belly, don't eat it yet. You have to rinse it. Pull it, Belly. It's okay. It's just a strawberry. Don't mind. Oh, this one's big. This one. Yeah. Are you sure? Super sure. Okay, click on another one then. Ria, okay. Yeah.
Belly.
Good job, my love. Okay, pick that one, Belly. Here, Belly, this one. You see this? Belly, here, on the bottom. Belly, go.
This one?
Yeah.
I want this one.
Okay, right there. Here, Belly, here. This one.
Oh, you do?
Good job.
Red.
They're all red.
Leaf.
Pull it, Belly.
No, you try and close it first.
Show mommy.
Here.
Wow.
See? You can-
One more. One more, Belly.
This one.
Yes. Okay, all done. Are we peeking?
Are we going home already?
Not yet. We can go around the farm.
Yeah.
We'll go Easter egg
please
hunting.
only pick in your designated field.
Let's do some yoga.
Look for eggs, guys. Come on, let's go. Go around. I'm sure there's eggs somewhere still. Do you see one?
No, but whatever you find, that's yours.
Okay, put it in your basket. Come on.
Can you even get the covers?
Just get whatever. Save some for your sister too.
Belly can look on this side. I'll look here. I found
Here, Belly. Belly, here, baby. Belly.
Guys, I found more here.
Okay, go. Okay.
Guys,
Right there, Belly, pink. Good job, baby. Good. Did you see any more? Belly, there's two in there. Pink and purple. Right there. Okay, good job.
look how much I have. I have more than Belly.
Almost. Okay, go, Belly, go. Fill it up. Right there, Belly. There's a pink one in there, Belly. Okay, keep going, Belly. There's another one here. That's nice. Ending?
Yeah.
Say Happy Easter, guys.
I'm used to watch our whole video part. I already saw more. Sorry, that's mine. Not here.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Belly, let's go. Go to Ate.
Oh my god, there's 3 in there.
Okay, let's go. Save some for the other kids.
And 26 eggs.
Wow, let's see how many Belly has.
Run, let's do something else, and if there's time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 eggs.
Wow.
Each get a prize.
Alright.
Wow, good job. Say thank you.
But those eggs are still ours. Yeah, no.
No.
Belly, come here, pick one.
Which one do you want to paint, Belly?
I want to paint.
Maybe something like this. Because this one you have to draw
I
it.
want to paint my dog. I want to paint my dog.
You cannot paint the dog belly.
How many tickets per?
No, mine. I want light pink. Red and black.
Guys, we're just gonna finish this, okay?
Yeah.
Ticket.
And you could come back and get different colors as well.
Up.
Here you go.
You get a
There's
cup
some
for
brushes
water.
and water as well to rinse your brush. And what 3 colors would you like?
Belly, what colors do you want?
I want light pink, white, and purple, and this blue.
So we start off with 3
Three
colors,
only,
okay?
three only.
Just
So,
for now, but you could come back and get more
one
later.
purple,
So pink, white, and one more color.
one more.
Okay, but mix a pink and that one and that one.
This
Okay,
one?
purple maybe.
Just purple.
Here you go.
Okay, thank you. Belly, come on.
Red, green,
Come on, Belly, start
Did you
painting.
put light pink?
Yes, Belly.
Right here, light pink.
Get away. Oh, Mommy, you made pink.
Ito daw mamaya si Mami.
Okay.
Could you dry it up, please? I could dry it up.
Yeah, you can do it.
여기 이스트반에 지금 한 다음에 말고 갈게요.
Belly.
Let's go!
How many tickets?
I just want to take it.
Okay. Give your tickets, guys.
Thank you guys.
Okay, you know what to do, Belly.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Belly, you gotta push harder. It's gonna be a race. 1. Go. Belly, go. Go, race, Belly. You gotta... Good job. Pump it, Belly. Oh no, Weaver's swimming. She already got one duck. I'm trying. Get the other duck ready, Belly. One more duck. Okay, Belly, go for. Come on, Belly. Hurry up. Your sister's winning. This is kind of tiring. Okay, one more for Leah, for Belly. Okay. Wait, Leah.
This one? That one?
Do it.
Ah! The last one.
Come on. Okay, get your ducky, Belly. Yeah.
Yeah, I got one. I want this one.
Oh, show me. Show me your ducky. Show me your ducky.
I'll show you first.
Belly, show me your ducky. Leah, show me your ducky.
Quack, quack.
Ah, cute.
Excuse me.
Thank you. Okay, come on. Belly here. Let's pick your size. What color do you want?
Pink.
Okay, let's get a pink your size. Wait, that's not your size. Belly, they don't have pink on your size. Okay. Wait, Belly.
I'm gonna put it over here.
Okay, where's the, what about the other one?
Words. I want words.
Okay. Belly, right here.
Done.
Good job.
Done. You wanna see mine? Yeah.
Pick blue or green.
I got one too.
Can I have that other ticket, please? Thank you.
Okay, you go first, Bee Bear.
Right here. We have to pick blue or green. Blue.
I would green.
Green. Okay, let's go. Your sister's gonna go first, and then you can go second. Okay?
Yeah, Belly. Belly, wait for Mama.
Nice. That was green. Don't worry, I saw.
Uh-oh, got stuck in there. Help your sister out.
Okay, let's go get brother first. Okay?
And then you're gonna go for blue. You're the first one. This is easy. You just drop it.
Look at this one.
Good job.
Oh, look at this.
It's okay. We can just keep going.
Accidents happen.
Accidents do happen. Oh, that's okay.
One more, Belly. You can do this. Oh my gosh, I got stuck again.
Now let's fix that.
Hope it lands on the green one. Yay, that landed on
Okay, you
green.
still get 2 prizes.
Yay. Okay, get 2 prize. Belly, pick.
I need to choose accidents.
Okay, yellow.
Next time we'll have
Okay, sure.
to wow.
Good job. How about you, Wee Bear? One more, one only.
I know.
Now, do you want to leave your bag here? We'll wait here. Amelia, come here. Oh, go ahead, go ahead. You can do it, Belly. Oh, almost. Good job. Good job. You're a pro.
3 tries. Yeah.
You have to hit it. Okay, keep it on the ice. You want to do other flavor? Maybe blue?
I got some fish. Blueberry now. Put the chips in my drink.
It's okay. Sweet and salty is good.
Bye.